Hey guys, welcome back to Three Prong Fishing. Today, I'm going to cover what happens when you take apart a Minnkota Terrova motor and it doesn't want to come apart. So this is the steering modulator for as you can see, the steering modulator for the Minnkota Terrova. Now there's plastic pieces inside. So what we're doing here is I want to get in there because my Minnkota stopped turning left and right. So this piece right here was broken, as you can see, and I wanted to change that out. I'm not going to pay somebody, $150 an hour to take this thing apart. Called Minnkota. They told me that they were completely out of warranty. I bought it 2.5 years ago, so I'm half a year over on my warranty. So I'm not going to pay somebody $150 an hour to take apart this thing. So after all the screws came out, but apparently they didn't put any anti-seize in any of the screws. So if you can see, all those screws are stainless steel. It took them all out but one. There was one stainless steel, which is right here, that did not want to come out. That one, stripped head. Look at all the stuff coming out of the motor. I don't know what that is, but this is the first time this motor's been opened. And we'll see what's inside, what we got to replace. But as of right now, I've been taking it apart and yeah, took off the whole thing and finally got the screw head off and just trying all sorts of things, and we'll see what we get into. So this is what I'm looking at so far. Got that one bolt that doesn't come out right there, but look at that inside of that thing. That it just never been opened. No wonder why it just completely died. Check out all that stuff. I have no idea what it is, but I'm gonna definitely call Minnkota and tell them this thing has never been opened and this is crazy. I thought I would expect higher quality out of their products, but guess not. Finally opened up. Holy cow. Let's see what we got in here. Look at this screw. Holy moly. It's finally opened up. Look at that. That's inside a Minnkota. It's never been opened. Look at that. Wow. All right, so I think I found why this looks like this. So I think that was right there where the gasket is, that intrusion point right here, because this is all caked up right here, all this. So I guess that's the breather that it has. So I'm going to look at this thing. Never been opened. Look at this. It is corrosion to the max. And I guess I'm gonna have to clean all this up and get some new gears in here, because look at that. That is crazy. And that, of course, is the one bolt, as you can see right here. Hopefully, of course, it's not going to come out. That's the closest one where it's completely corroded to that lower part. I had to drill out the head, and I had to completely, it's not going to come off because it's right there. I mean, you just see where it's not going to come off. So that's Minnkota for you right there. I don't know what happened, but that is the hole in. That is not sand. That is actually, I think it's water intrusion with the mixture of the grease that is in there. And of course, that last screw that did not want to come out, of course, because it's actually almost welded right here by the water intrusion. As you can see, the whole entire seal right around here is in great shape. I mean, I have no idea where the water intrusion came from, but I mean, look at this. No wonder why. Thank goodness I know my motor is good, but some reason it didn't want didn't want to turn left or right, but I know it's good because at the end it turned a little bit. So I know my board is good, but I have to clean all this up. So that's Minnkota for you. This is how much stuff came out of there. Still trying to clean it up some. All right, guys, so I have decided to buy a new complete housing instead of trying to fix this one. It's got too many corrosion issues, but just wanted to post this video to show you what happens when you use Minnkota, Terrova, like you're supposed to, and you have, you know, saltwater intrusion for no fault of the user, just using it how it's meant to be used. But, you know, again, I thought this was one of the better Minnkotas, that's why I went with them. But apparently a year and a half later or 2 years later, right after your warranty expires, this is what you get. So I suggest maybe getting, servicing that seal before then or something. But yeah, this is done for. So I'm gonna buy a new one, and I'll install the new one rather than this old one. Thanks for watching, guys.